Hello friends, welcome in maths class. In this video we are going to do differentiation topic. We have already started in the previous video differentiation topic exercise 1.1. Here first in previous video we did question number 1, first 3 sub questions and introduction of differentiation topic. Now in this video we are going to continue with exercise 1.1. See exercise from continue करेंगे इस वीडियो में भी. Exercise 1.1 question number 1. Here see the fourth question we will start. Fourth question, y is equal to root of x square plus root of x square plus 1. So we differentiate it with respect to x, means dy by dx we will find. So dy by dx. Here we apply chain rule of derivative, that is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. dy by du into du by dx. This is chain rule of derivative. So here this is what u. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by du, that is here it is root of u, this complete is u, it is root of u, and derivative of root u is equal to 1 upon 2 root u into du by dx, into du by dx. Then this is 1 upon 2 root of u, that is 1 upon 2 root of x square plus root of x square plus 1 into d dx of this same x square plus root of x square plus 1. Now this derivative will be dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x square plus root of x square plus 1 into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x, and again derivative of root of x square plus 1. So here it will be 2x, this derivative will be 2x plus derivative of this again 1 upon 2 root of u, that is 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 1, it is 2x. It is 2x. Then this 2 and this 2 is getting cancelled here. Here we get dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x square plus root of x square plus 1 into, here LCM of the denominator is root of x square plus 1 is the LCM of denominator. Here it will be 2x root of x square plus 1 and plus this x. Yes. So this will be the answer. 2x root of, so finally we will be getting dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2x root of x square plus 1 plus x upon this 2 and this root of x square plus 1 and this whole bracket, that is square root x square plus root of x square plus 1. This will be the answer. We attempt now question number 5. Here 3 upon 5 into cube root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to power 5. So first of all we simplify it. इसको हम simplify करेंगे. ये 3/5 हम लिख सकते हैं इधर separate into 1 upon cube root. Cube root means raised to power 1/3 and this raised to power 5 is, तो ये complete आएगा 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to power how much it is 5/3. So again we simplify it. This is 3/5 into 2x square minus 7x minus 5 and whole raised to power minus 5 upon 3. ये डिनोमिनेटर में, न्यूमरेटर पे it will be minus 5 upon 3. Now differentiate it with respect to x. So what will be derivative? Dy by dx is equal to, differentiating with respect to x, this 3/5 is constant. Here this derivative will be minus 5/3 minus 5/3. Here derivative of u raised to power n. What is this derivative of u raised to power n? It is n u raised to power n minus 1 into du by dx. So let's do that. 2x square minus 7x minus 5 whole raised to power minus 5/3 minus 1, that is minus 8/3 into d dx of into d dx of the same 2x square minus 7x minus 5. Yes, this will be, this is getting cancelled and this will be equal to minus, see here dy by dx is equal to minus, this will goes in the denominator, and what is the derivative of this? It is 4x minus 7. Derivative of x square 2x and this 2, and derivative of this is the derivative, and this will go in the denominator. So it is 2x square minus 7x minus 5 and whole raised to power 8/3. Yes, this is the answer of this question. Next we will do sixth question. See here, sixth question is y is equal to square root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 and whole raised to power how much is 5. So we apply here derivative of fx raised to power n. Here derivative of fx raised to power n. This is equal to, derivative of fx raised to power n is equal to n fx raised to power n minus 1 into f dash of x. So we are applying this here. This is our fx raised to power n. Y is equal to fx raised to power n. So it is n fx n minus 1 into f dash of x. So n fx into f dash of x, n fx raised to power n minus 1 into f dash of x. So dy by dx is equal to, differentiating with respect to x. So here n is equal to 5. So it is 5 root of 3x minus 5 1 upon square root of 3x minus 5 whole raised to power n minus 1 मतलब 4 into derivative of root of 3x minus 5 minus, this will be goes in the numerator and it will be 3x minus 5 raised to power minus 1 upon 2. This is our fx. Here this is our fx. So here it is f dash of x. Then it is now we solve it. Derivative of root fx is equal to 1 by 2 root fx into f dash of x. So it is 5 root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 and whole raised to power 4 whole raised to power 4 it is into derivative of this, it is 1 upon 2 root of derivative of root fx, that is 3x minus 5 and again derivative of 3x minus 5, it will be 3 minus derivative of fx raised to power n fx n minus 1 into f dash of x. We wrote this formula here, n fx n minus 1 into f dash of x. So we are applying this here. N means what? Minus 1 upon 2 into fx raised to power n minus 1, that is 3x minus 5 minus 3 by 2 will be into derivative of 3x minus 5, that is 3. So that it is equal to dy by dx is equal to 5, this as it is root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 and whole raised to power 4 into, this is what, 3 upon 2 root of 3x minus 5, here minus and this will be plus, it is 1 by 2, this 3 is there, this 3x plus minus 5 raised to power minus 3 by 2. इसको हम आगे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. We can take 3 by 2 outside, ये 3 by 2 और ये 5 will be 15 by 2, ये होगा 15 by 2 into, this is as it is root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 as it is raised to power 4. फिर इसमें 3 by 2 ऑलरेडी कॉमन लिया है हमने, so we took already 3 by 2 common, this 3 by 2 common and this will goes in the denominator, so that इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 plus 1 upon ये raised to power 3 by 2 in denominator means root of 3x minus 5 raised to power plus 3 by 2. Here we take LCM of this. तो LCM लेने पर 3x minus 5 raised to power 3 by 2 will be the LCM here. This is 15 by 2. 15 by 2 into root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 raised to power 4 and this is what will be the LCM here? 3x minus 5 raised to power 3 by 2 will be the LCM. 3x minus 5 you have to multiply over here, and this plus 1, so this makes minus 4 only, and this will be the answer. 15 by 2, this whole bracket as it is, raised to power 4, 3x minus 4, actually it is 3x minus 5 and this plus 1, it becomes 3x minus 4, and the denominator is 3x minus 5 raised to power 3 by 2. So this will be the derivative of this sixth question. Answer is this. Now we are going to start question number 2. हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. So let's do the second one here. Root y is equal to, here y is equal to root of e raised to power 3x plus 2 plus 5. So derivative of root fx is what? 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash of x, into what? F dash of x. So we are applying this dy by dx is equal to what? 1 upon 2 root of the same e raised to power 3x plus 2 plus 5 into derivative of see, this is your fx, this is your fx, so into f dash of x, into f dash of x means into e raised to power 3x plus 2 plus 5. This phi is constant, so its derivative will be 0, and this is equal to 1 upon 2 root of e raised to power 3x plus 2 plus 5 into derivative of e raised to power fx. So again we apply this derivative of e raised to power fx. Here derivative of e raised to power fx is equal to e raised to power fx into f dash of x. So applying this result, we get here derivative of e raised to power 3x plus 2 as e raised to power 3x plus 2 into derivative of 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, and plus derivative of phi is 0, constant 0 is. Further, this is what 3, and we are getting here finally answer. We are getting here answer dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root of e raised to power 3x plus 2 plus 5 and into this derivative of this is what? 3. So it is 3 into e raised to power 3x plus 2, so that it is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 3 e raised to power 3x plus 2, it is simple question, upon 2 times root of e raised to power 3x plus 2 plus 5. Yes, this is what derivative of this second question, and we'll do the next one, this third one. log of tan of x by 2. Log of tan of x by 2. Y is equal to log of tan of x by 2. Tan of x by 2. Y is equal to log of tan of x by 2. Here derivative of log fx. So keep in mind derivative of log fx formula. Here derivative of log fx or log u, it is 1 upon u into du by dx. What is our u here? A, tan of x by 2. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon u, मतलब 1 upon tan of x by 2 into derivative of tan of x by 2 into derivative of tan of x by 2. Again there is a composite function. Tan x is simple question, but tan of x by 2 is a composite function. This is 1 upon tan, मतलब आप लिख सकते हैं इधर cos of x by 2 upon sin of x by 2, और derivative of tan is sec square x by 2 and into वापस यहाँ पे derivative of x by 2 होगा because it is composite function. So which is dy by dx is equal to cos of x by 2 upon sin of x by 2 into, this is what, 1 upon cos square, sec square मतलब cos square in denominator x by 2, and ये x by 2 in derivative of x by 2 is what, 1 by 2 only, 1 by 2 into derivative of x, that is 1 by 2. तो ये कैंसिल होगा, cos of x by 2, एक cos x by 2 कैंसिल होगा, and finally we will be getting here dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, ये 2 पहले लिखते हैं हम, so we will be writing here 2, then sin of x by 2 and into cos of x by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is sin theta. तो ये होगा 1 upon sin theta मतलब sin x. 1 upon sin मतलब क्या है, cosec x. So finally we'll be getting here answer cosec x. Yes, this question is y is equal to log of tan of x by 2 and its answer is what, cosec x. So yes dear students, in this video we will do up to this, and next question from question number 2 of exercise 1.1 we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.